Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you confused about how to add credit card on your Shein application? Well, if you are, then you're on the right place. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to add credit card on your Shein application. Now, without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. In order to add credit card on your Shein application, the first thing that you're going to do is open your Shein application. Once you have opened your Shein app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page here, you'll have to choose the product that you want to get. And once you have chosen the product that you want to get, then tap on add to cart. And after that, here you'll have to go on your cart. The cart option is located on the top right hand side corner. You can see a cart icon, tap on it. And here, as you can see, the product you have selected is in your cart. From here, you'll have to tap on the checkout option that is located on the below. You'll be on the page from where you'll have to scroll down, and here on the second category you can see payment method. On the payment method category you can get about three options, that is PayPal, credit and debit, and so on. Here you'll have to choose the second option, that is credit and debit, and tap on place order option that is located on the very right hand side corner on the bottom. Once you're done with that, here you'll have to type in your card number. Then you'll have to tap the expiry date of your credit card. And you'll have to type in the CVV. And if you want this Shein application to remember the card for future use, then here you'll get a toggle option that says remember this card for future use. You can tap on it. And if you don't want the payment method to be remembered, then you can simply choose to ignore it. And after that, here you can tap on the place order option that is located on the very end. And just like that, you'll have successfully added your credit card to your Shein application. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.